Oh. Oh. Okay. Ah! Oh.
We're back again. It's Jennifer. It's Mia. And we're from the Boys and Girls Club of Phillips County. In today's science experiment, we will be doing rapid color changing chemistry. You will need liquid starch, iodine, 3 clear cups, sticks, warm water, measuring spoons, 3% hydrogen peroxide, and 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, a spoon, and a Ziploc bag. First, you're gonna label your cups liquid A, liquid B, and liquid C. Next, you'll take 1 vitamin C, place it in a Ziploc bag, and crush it with a spoon or rolling pin. You'll start with your cup labeled liquid A, and you'll put in 1/4 cup of warm water. Then you will put in your crushed vitamin C. Now mix it. Stir for at least 30 seconds. Now we will start with liquid B. You'll put 1 teaspoon of liquid A into liquid B. Then you put 1/4 cup of warm water into liquid B. Now you put 1 teaspoon of iodine into liquid B and watch what happens. Now we'll start with our liquid C cup. You add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, one-4 cup of warm water, and 1/2 teaspoon of liquid starch. Now you'll pour liquid B into C and go back and forth a couple of times. Now set the cup down and watch and observe. An example of the chemical reaction known as the iodine clock reaction.
Thanks for tuning in to our science experiment today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. #BeGreat.